Hey everybody, this is Jace with RMUS, and right now we're here with Dean from Evolve Dynamics, and we're taking a look at this platform. Give us the quick spiel. We just got this up in the air. It's a little smoky today, but we still were able to pull it off. But we just put this in the air. Really impressive little package.
Thank you.
Talk to us about it. Where are you coming from? And kind of give us some of the highlights here.
Yeah, so this is the Evolve Dynamics Sky Mantis. It's designed and built in the United Kingdom. And is now available in the United States through myself and through various resellers, and we're here with RMUS today to talk to them about this. The Sky Mantis was designed on a spec for UK public safety. They required a 1 hour flight time. We hit that objective with a 30 times optical zoom camera, full thermal imager on board. They wanted IP55 capability, so it's capable of full flight in rain. We fly in all day at every rain. That's UK weather. And also we have very strong winds in the UK, especially in the coastal regions. And so the very flat design and short legs, etc., is designed to give it high wind resistance. And we can fly, we're certified up to 47 miles an hour for winds. So very high resistance.
Usually more than anybody wants to fly in.
Yeah,
like,
exactly.
It make you uncomfortable wanting
Yeah,
to
it
fly
makes
in
me
that type of
uncomfortable
wind
flying
speed.
at very strong winds, but it copes with it just fine.
Yeah.
We have people flying this off coastal cliffs, doing search and rescue operations along the southern coast of Eastbourne in the UK. So this was built with that. The other requirement was temperature range. We've worked very, very hard to seal it up and give it a good temperature range. So we can go to minus 40 degrees centigrade to plus 50 degrees centigrade.
Ooh.
And that's extremes. So yeah, we've flown it
again,
and tested
you don't
it
want to be out
temperature.
there. You don't want to be out there flying in that.
So yeah,
if you're pulling out that kind of weather.
This week at 110 degrees Fahrenheit in the desert in Las Vegas was an experience for a Brit, but we were there.
It was plenty.
Yep.
Well, I mean, we just put this up, and obviously a really quiet platform, but some of the things that we love about this platform, I mean, you mentioned the thermal camera, 645 by 512 resolution, and a 30 what times?
30
optical?
30 times optically at the moment. We're actually increasing that up to more optical zoom in the near future with a camera change.
Perfect.
So,
and interchangeable payloads.
Yep, quick swap
Obviously,
payloads.
Swappable batteries.
Yep.
With a lithium ion chemistry as opposed to a lithium polymer.
Long endurance batteries, all built for that 1 hour flight time, which we manage with the payload on full spec.
Right.
And then to increase that further, we have a tether capability, and the tether plugs into the bottom of the aircraft. It is literally a battery change to go from tether mode to non-tether mode. There's a hole in the bottom of the aircraft. The cable pushes up into the bottom. You fly off with the tether. We've done a 48-hour flight with the tether. And then at any time, if you see something that you can't get the right aspect on because you're on the tether, you can drop the tether in flight, and you've still got half a battery, 30 minutes worth of, in our case, of flight time.
Exactly, and as a lot of the people, or a lot of our customers have discovered, you know, the pain points with tether systems is that the manufacturers, a lot of them don't manufacture a tether system. Therefore, if you use a tether, your warranty is voided.
Yep.
And if it goes down, you're on your own. That's not the case with this platform. They have a tether made by the manufacturer that's made to integrate with the aircraft. And what I love that option to be able to drop it.
Yep.
And and it's not just going to fall out of the sky.
Nope.
And that's the thing about all these other tether systems is, oh, somebody bumps the inverter, somebody bumps the generator, I ran out of gas.
Yep.
It's going to fall out of the sky.
Yep.
So having that backup battery, the ability to drop it when is necessary, is obviously a massive feature, something that's really nice to have. But overall, I mean, we've been really impressed with this platform, with the remotes, the way that those systems work, with a ruggedized tablet with HDMI out. It can also be plugged in. You're talking 3 to 4 hours on your remote with 1,000 nits of brightness on the screen, right? So overall, I mean, just complete package that seems like it checks all the boxes for sure.
We hope so, and we've been very successful in Europe. Moving across Europe, it's time to come to this side of the pond, and that's why I'm here.
Sure. And then, I mean, obviously we want to move farther, talking about training and all that kind of stuff. That's probably going to come at a later date, and we'll start working on this. But I mean, that's your kind of look at the Evolve Dynamics. We've been really impressed with this, and just anecdotally, we put this in the air, and myself and the other guys on the camera are nodding their heads when I say it. It was extremely quiet.
Yeah.
A very quiet platform. That was one thing that was really very impressive.
Deliberately
that was, I was shocked. I mean, honestly, we have one of those little Honda inverters that just sits there and purrs. this was quieter than the inverter, by far.
Absolutely.
By far. So
once you get up to 360 feet, which is how long our tether is, you can't hear it anymore.
Yeah, I believe it 100%. So, I mean, that's kind of our first look at the platform. We're excited to, do a little bit more with it and see where we go from here. So thanks for coming out and taking a look at it.
Thank you.
Okay.